cultural to us, you know, the act of painting our homes, the act of painting our signage. Like, I think in India, no matter where you are, in which culture, we've always painted stuff that belongs to us. Hi, I'm Swabu Kohli. I'm a visual artist based in Goa, and I'm here at the Lodi Art District. First day when we did the blue base, and it was so sweet because two of the aunties came and they were like, you know, this used to be my favorite color. Ab yellow pe fir se karna hai ek aur. So, you know, these little things come out, which is really special to see how people connect to something and how just the introduction of a color on a wall can create that for someone. Ram is this incredible artist. He's 13 years old. He stays right at the banks of Pake Tiger Reserve, and from his window he can see the forest, and he's been creating these cosmologies of what he imagines inside the forest. And I really want to explore this idea of bringing Ram's world into this collision of making with how I'm creating cosmologies, how he's creating cosmologies, and they all kind of like move into this archway, the classic Lodi building. And it's kind of a reminder, just the way like Ram looks outside the window. तुम्हारा जो स्नेल था बेस में, इसके ऊपर फूल भी आएगा।
और ये देखो यहाँ कौन सा कैरेक्टर है तुम्हारा।
और उस साइड वो देखो तुम्हारा चिड़िया भी है।
वो देख कितना मस्त बन रहा है ना, इतनी बड़ी दीवार पे सारी कहानियाँ आ गई।
But I think what's beautiful about Start is that it's allowed this very informal space, which is very, very planned and designed in a beautiful way, but it allows these entry and exit points for people to be like, I want to join in. I want to paint my cycle. I also want to paint my rickshaw. So it's not just the wall, you know, and I think that to me is really exciting. It's just really inspiring, and I wish we keep doing more of this. And you know, it's amazing to see more districts come up, and I'm just happy to be part of two now, and hopefully many more.